Based on the role of the Council of Oman in consolidating the principle of participation in issues of public concern and building the foundations of societal and institutional partnership, the Telecommunications Regulatory Authority hosted a number of honored members of the State Council and their Excellencies members of the Shura Council for the purpose of obtaining their views on the draft regulation of the affairs of users of telecommunication services. This is within the framework of participation in the formulation of legislative and regulatory frameworks that take into account the interest of the beneficiaries and enhance their confidence in the services provided in the sector. The regulation aims to regulate the relationship between beneficiaries and telecommunication services providers by raising awareness of their rights and obligations, as well as strengthening the supervisory role over telecommunication services provided to beneficiaries. The regulation represents an effective step towards ensuring the telecommunication services providers adhere to the standards set by the Telecommunications Regulatory Authority to protect the rights of users in order to enhance competition between service providers in improving and raising standards related to service users and guaranteeing their rights.
Consumer protection regulation is a new regulation in the market. We hope or we aim with this regulation to protect consumer rights, to identify as well both parties' obligation, the consumer and the operators as well. We hope with this regulation everything will be clear for all stakeholders in the market. The plan after the public consultation that we are going to analyze the response, and then we will going to amend the regulation accordingly. We hope to end by the end of November or beginning of December, inshallah, and then we'll process it with the Ministry of Legal Affairs.
A summary of many studies conducted by the authority comparing a number of legislations and international best practices of some other countries.